The all-new Pixel 8 Pro goes head-to-head with the recently launched iPhone 15 Pro Max, two of the latest flagship releases in the tech world. Apple has introduced some incredible new features with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but Google has made some clever upgrades to the Pixel 8 Pro that set it apart from any other smartphone on the market. This showdown represents the clash of Android versus iOS, and for the first time, Apple faces formidable competition. One significant area where Google takes the lead is in software longevity. While Apple has long been known for its software support, Google promises an astounding 7 years of software updates for the Pixel 8 Pro, surpassing the 5-year support for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This means the Pixel 8 Pro will receive updates until 2030, making it the longest supported phone in the market. Considering the rising prices of flagship phones, with the iPhone 15 Pro Max costing $100 more than its predecessor at $1,200, Google's Pixel 8 Pro offers a compelling alternative. Priced at $1,000, it's $200 cheaper than the iPhone 15 Pro Max and includes a free Pixel Watch 2nd generation, making it a great value proposition. Both phones have distinct design features. The iPhone 15 Pro Max retains the design language of the iPhone 11 series, featuring a titanium frame and a thinner, lighter build. In contrast, the Pixel 8 Pro maintains the visor design but introduces more exciting colors, with the eye-catching blue variant standing out as one of the best blue colors on any phone. When it comes to displays, both phones offer large, vibrant screens. The Pixel 8 Pro sets a new standard with a peak brightness of 2400 nits, outshining the 2000 nits of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Notably, the iPhone features a dynamic island, which takes up more space compared to the Pixel's single punch hole, resulting in a cleaner design. However, the iPhone offers a stronger facial recognition system, while the Pixel 8 Pro relies on an optical fingerprint scanner. Camera performance is a key factor in choosing a Pro or Ultra phone in 2023. Google employs AI and hardware upgrades to compete. While the iPhone 15 Pro Max excels with its 24-megapixel main camera and superior detail, the Pixel 8 Pro's default resolution remains at 12 megapixels. However, Google shines in other areas with a higher resolution ultra-wide-angle lens with a wider aperture, potentially delivering sharper images. Both phones feature a 5x zoom lens, but Google's 48-megapixel resolution and the option to unlock even higher detail in Pro mode could give it an edge. The iPhone offers portrait mode images with the 5x lens, a feature not implemented on the Pixel 8 Pro. In terms of video performance, the iPhone 15 Pro Max stands out with incredible detail and color accuracy. However, the Pixel 8 Pro introduces Video Boost, using AI to enhance details and HDR in low-light situations, potentially surpassing the iPhone in such conditions. Performance-wise, the Apple A7 Pro chip outperforms the Tensor G3, especially after the iOS 17.0.0 update, improving the iPhone's performance. While the Pixel 8 Pro may not match the iPhone in sheer performance numbers, its AI features make it one of the smartest smartphones on the market. In battery performance, both phones offer competitive results. The Pixel 8 Pro packs the same battery as its predecessor, benefiting from the efficiency of the Tensor G3 chip. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is also a strong performer. In summary, the Pixel 8 Pro stands out as a unique and competitively priced phone, with a strong focus on AI features and video performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max excels in camera detail and performance, making it the top choice for photography enthusiasts. Your decision should consider these factors, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more tech updates and stay tuned. Peace out.